This video is for the grade 8 assignment 3, create a presentation on fair use. First, you're going to start off at drive.google.com. You'll click on new, and then you'll click on Google Slides. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to share it with your partner. So you'll click on share in the top right corner as soon as we can. And then it's going to make you give your presentation a name. So I'm just going to title mine Fair Use Project. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and click on Save. And then you'll type in your partner's email address. Make sure that you type it correctly and that you type in at hanoverstudents.org. And then you'll go ahead and click on Send. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to add a theme. So on the side, you can click on a theme, and then it'll change your presentation. And your partner should be able to check their email in order to also open this. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to add a title and a subtitle. So, for example, we're going to do Fair Use Project, and then put in your names under the subtitle. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to add a new slide by clicking on the plus sign. And then what you want to do is just title it something like Our Video. And next, what you're going to do is you're actually going to go back over to Google Drive, and you're going to go into WeVideo, click New, click More, and then click WeVideo Video Editor. And from here, what you're going to do is it'll open up WeVideo in a new tab. And you're going to need to scroll down a little bit, and then you'll see your video under the video headings. So then you'll just click on it in order to open it. And then you'll click up at the top where it has the URL. Do Control and C on your keyboard to copy it. Click back over to your project, and then you'll click underneath your title, and then Control and V to paste, and then hit the space bar on your keyboard. And what that's going to do is you want to make sure your pointer is at the end of your URL, and then hit space, and it automatically turns it into a link. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to add 3 more slides. So I'm just going to click the plus sign 3 times. So there's going to be 3 other slides. Now, I'm just going to go over to what should be on each slide. So on slide 3, you should list the audio that you include and explain why it's considered to be used fairly. So notice I tell how many seconds the song is, and then I tell that I don't play more than 1/10 of that. We also type in click the link here to listen to the entire song. It's not going to link yet. Anyway, slide 4, you're going to have information about the photographs. Remember, you typically only want to use 1 photo, so that's going to be less than 1/10 of this particular artist's photos. Once again, we're going to say click the link here, but it's not going to work yet. And then finally, your last slide, you're just going to say that all video was created by me, so it's used fairly. Next, what you're going to do is you're actually going to go over to YouTube in another tab. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on a new tab, and then you're going to do a search for the song that you used. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead, and there's the official YouTube video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And just going to pause it for a moment. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click up at the URL, and then do Control and C on my keyboard. Copy that URL, go back over to my project, and what I want to do is on the audio slide, which should be slide 3, where it says click the link here to listen to the song, I'm just going to highlight the word here, and then click on the link button, which looks like a chain, and then we're going to hit Control and V on the keyboard, and then click on apply, and so now it will be a link. And then the last link that we're going to include, we're going to go over to the photographs slide. And then what we're going to do is in another tab, we're just going to do a Google search for the photographer. So this was the photographer in this case whose photograph I used. And so, whoops, just spelled their name wrong. Gonna just go ahead and Google them, and then click on images. And from here, you pretty much just want to make sure you get a bunch of pictures from the same person. So from here we've got Ryan LaMarca, so we've got a bunch of pictures from this particular person. So then what we're going to do is we're going to click up at the top in order to highlight the URL, do Control-C on the keyboard. You'll go back over to your Fair Use Project tab, and then where you said click the link here, you're just going to go ahead and highlight it, click on the Insert Link button that looks like a chain, and then you'll hit Control-V on your keyboard, and then click Apply. And that's it.